AI Creator. Hey there, welcome to my AI Creator review. I'm Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I've been generating a full-time income with affiliate marketing for over 10 years now. So I've seen lots of these different software launches come and go. So hopefully my thoughts on AI Creator, taken from my previous experience, will be of help as you do your research. Before we dive in, if you click the link below in the video description, you can discover what my current #1 recommended online system to plug into right now is. It's a complete done-for-you system and a really cool way to get started to getting your own traffic and earning a realistic full-time income on the internet. So click the link in the video description for my current top system. So AI Creator is another Warrior Plus launch, but I like the way it differs from your standard hypey Warrior Plus software where they claim you've just got to click a couple of buttons and ChatGPT will magically build you a website and you'll have loads of money pouring in. This vendor has a good track record of delivering quite simple but effective tools that stay away from the traditional hype of these type of launches. We're going to take a look at the demo. So what I quite like the look of with AI Creator is that it's a WordPress plugin, so you're not dependent on the hosting and domain of the Warrior Plus vendor. You're not having to use a subdomain on the product launch website itself. You have more control over your website by putting it on a WordPress blog that you have on your hosting and on your own domain. So it's an extra little step to get your own hosting and domain and learn how to install a WordPress plugin, but I prefer it that way than using the members area of a Warrior Plus style launch. So it has ChatGPT integrated into the plugin, and you simply use ChatGPT within the WordPress members area, type in a prompt for what you want your article written about, and it will produce your blog post in the WordPress style editor. So then you can tweak the content, you can add hyperlinks, you can add subheadings and tweak it to make it into a blog post, or just use as is because the content looks quite high quality at the first attempt. You can then add images, so you can use Pixabay, which is built into the system, to add your own images, and you can also add ChatGPT style prompts to get AI to generate the images for you. So this saves you having to search for stock images on the internet because it's all built into the AI Creator members area. So I like the fact this WordPress plugin just gives you everything you need to create a simple, high quality blog post, both the text and the image, and then you can publish that within the website manually and then move on to the next content, use a different title, and build your website out step by step like that. They've also got a second tool, which is the AI Rewriter tool. So you could publish a piece of content you've got on another website, and then you can get the ChatGPT rewriter to reword it. So it essentially says the same sort of thing, but in unique wordings. So you still got a high quality article that you can then put on your website. The thing I like about AI rewriting is it's slightly different to article spinning, because I don't like article spinning because they just change each word individually, so it's just a garbled up version of what the initial article was. But with AI rewriting, the AI tool seems to read the article, understand what it means, but then rewrite it with slightly different wording. And that's a higher quality way of rewriting content by rewriting in your own words compared to just spinning it word by word, sentence by sentence. That's why I quite like the look of that type of tool. So this is a type of website you'll get. You get a professional logo that you can tweak, high quality images, content, and then you can go through this process manually, step by step, for each article you want to publish. You can monetize this any way you want. There's inbuilt Amazon ads here. This is for the demo. They've used Amazon advertising. You can add that within the blog, or you can add banners on the sidebar. You can provide text-based call to actions within the blog post to click to a squeeze page, for example. So you're building your email list. That would be my preferred option, is to provide a call to action button in the blog post, click for some free download, and they will enter their email address on the squeeze page. So this is the type of website you'll be building out with AI Creator. So overall, it's a cool little software tool. It's a WordPress plugin, and I much prefer this way of using AI and ChatGPT on your own website with a WordPress plugin, rather than some sort of done-for-you members area where you're relying on that launch website subdomain to remain up and running and high reputation for it to carry on working in the long run. If you want to discover my approach for generating a full-time income on the internet with traffic generation and list building, click the link below. Click the link in the video description for my current #1 recommended online system. It's a complete done-for-you system and a really excellent focus to get your own traffic, build your own email list, and build up realistic online income. So click the link in the video description below for my current top system. Thanks again for checking out my quick thoughts on AI Creatr. All the best and speak soon.